Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing really well. Today I'm just making a quick intro for this video. I put it together because I am planning to do shows next year, so I needed to make kind of like a skating portfolio video, just showing everything that is special about me, I guess. So yeah, I thought I'd share it on my channel as well. Maybe you guys like to see that. And yeah, so if you guys like it, please comment down below, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button if you want to be notified every time I post a video. And if you want to be updated on my daily life, please follow me at my Instagram, sofa.bar. I just got my phone back, so I am again very active on Instagram. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!